Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? I'm heading in here to Parker, Arizona. We're on Highway 72. This is going straight into town. Hey, one of the number one questions I get when someone wants to go full-time, how can I make money on the road? Well, today I'm going to show you how. You're going to meet some people, a nice couple named Curt and Kendra. They make a living on the road. They sell all kinds of different kites and windsocks and all that. So, and they also set up dealers and whatnot with their product line. We're going to find out a lot more about it once we get up here. We're going to make a right up here on Riverside Drive. We're in the heart of Parker. There's old Terrible's gas station and all that. Curt said that they set up right across from Burger King, which Burger King is right up here on the right. What a great road to be a vendor on too. I know there's vendors to the right and left here. There they are, right up here on the left. Look at all the colorful kites and windmills and everything. But the traffic on the street is huge. Oh wow, check out their setup. It's got a cargo trailer attached to a motorhome. How cool is that? Alrighty, let me get parked, get out, and we'll check this out. I'll be back. Well, let's go wander around. He's still setting up. Got a couple things to do. Then we'll talk to Curt and his wife, Kendra. Check out the little Volkswagen windmill. Oh man, look at the balloon. I want one of them. Look at that thing. Isn't that pretty? We definitely get wind in the desert. These are great for RVs. They're lightweight. Check out the birds. They probably fold up. We'll find out. Oh, 5 o'clock somewhere. Sure is. I got the little flowers. More of the, I guess they're called, I don't know what they're called. We'll find out. Look at that. Nice. I want one. Oh, there's some kites. They're pretty colorful. He told me they got them up to like 50 feet long when I talked to him on the phone. Look at all this stuff. Look how neatly packaged it is. You could easily store this in an RV. No problem. We'll go wander outside for a minute. Those must be kites in those black cases. Look at all the flags. You could just have all kinds of stuff. And it's fun when you're RVing to have this kind of stuff around. Makes it kind of homey, you know? And you throw it in the storage bin and away you go. Check out his setup. He's got a awning on the cargo trailer and an awning on his motorhome. That is really cool. And old Polly there says it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Alright, well, let's get with Curt and Kendra. Get them on camera and we're going to hear about all this stuff. So I'll be back in a sec.
Howdy folks, my name's Curt. This is my wife Kendra. We own a company called My Wind Stuff. We're a traveling mobile kite and spinner company. We travel all the lower 48 states. Been doing this for about 19 years. We represent a company called Premier Kites and Designs. You can go to premierkites.com, check out our website. We manufacture about 3,000 different wind spun products. We're still in the kite business, almost 40 years. We do kites as big as semis. You can go check out, there's about 1,500 different items in the kites online. And then of course we still do the house and the garden flags as well. So here at My Wind Stuff, one of our most popular premier products is this 5 o'clock somewhere bird. This is an item number 25681. So one thing that sets Premier apart from what I'll call the Chinese knockoffs is Premier's fabric is all called Suntex. So, you know, a lot of people say, oh, well, it's fade resistant. Yeah, it is. But more importantly, this is a UV stable material. So this is real similar to the Sunbrella, the good patio furniture material. So you can leave this out in the sun. The sun's not going to dry this out and make it brittle. You can leave it out in the rain. You can leave it out in the snow. And it's obviously a wind product. So since we cater to the snowbirders and the RVers, this product like this is going to come packaged like this. So easily fit in the basement. Also, one of our other really popular items, this is item number 25778. This is our 22-inch medium patriotic balloon. It's got a ball bearing marine swivel up here. It also has the Suntech material. Everything we have in the wind garden line is made out of Suntech. So ball bearing marine swivel here so that won't fail. If you'll notice, all the stars and stripes on here are individually sewn on. This isn't a printed picture. So very prestigious. And again, packaging wise, just like that. So this will fit about anywhere if you're taking it home for a gift. And speaking of gifts, this is the type of gift when you give it that people still have it years later. And they're like, man, that was the best gift ever. So anyway, just a couple of the products out of our 3,000. So again, go to online, premierkites.com. I'm going to give you a coupon code later in the video. I think Russ will put a link to that on there. So you can go into the coupon or the website, use the coupon code, and we're going to give you free shipping on your entire order. Whether it's $20 or $2,000, you're going to get free shipping. Hey, if you decide you want to give us a shout, pick up one of the Premier products, just talk to us. One thing you're going to get from Premier and My Wind Stuff is customer service. That's one thing that's kind of forgotten. But right here, you can contact myself or my wife, Kendra. My number is 785-483-1309. That number has not changed since the bag phone. You can also go to the website, premierkites.com, or you can use our email, which is got-stuff@hotmail.com. You can also go to our YouTube channel, My Wind Stuff, on YouTube. If you're interested in life on the road, this type of business, something similar, even if it's not the same product. I've been doing this for 19 years, traveling all over the United States, and we set up Premier dealers, again, all over the United States. We kind of handle a lot of the mobile dealers. We are the largest mobile Premier dealer in the United States, period. So our success speaks for itself. But if you're interested in something like this, I will teach you anything that you need to know about the business. There's no secrets here. I will show you how to load it up, how to tear it down, how to sell it. I'll teach you about the fabric or the product, so on, so on, and so on. I want to put dealers out there. I want to put some money in your pocket. So if you're interested, give myself a call. My Wind Stuff. My name's Kurt. The number is 785-483-1309. You're more than welcome to call the office if you'd like. Contact premierkites.com, send them an email. If you're going mobile, they're going to direct you here anyway. But anyway, I'd love to give you the opportunity to make some money and learn the life of the road. So if you don't catch us online, you don't call us, you don't email us, so many of our customers have seen us all over the United States. We'll be sitting on a street corner like we're here right now in Parker, Arizona, South Padre Island, Watford City, North Dakota. You can catch us at an event. We do a lot of hot air balloon festivals, and since we are a kite company, we put on kite shows all over America. So if you need a big draw to an event, this is the guy to call, 785-483-1309. Thank you.
Well, there you go. Wave back at Kurt and Kendra. Too cool. Okay, it's lightweight, easy to sell, RV friendly, My Wind Stuff. Give them a call. You want to start a business, help supplement your income on the road? If not, just buy one for yourself. I am. I'm going to get me one of those 5 o'clock somewhere in the little hot air balloon one. I'm going to take that home with me today. But aren't these cool? There's all kinds of ways to make money on the road, and this is just one of them. But definitely, down in the description will be all their info, their discount code for shipping, all of it. Alright, I'm glad I came up here today. I think I might even do it. Why not? Huh? Fill up the cargo trailer full of windmills and socks and kites. I'd definitely go enough places that they would sell. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Head back to Quartzsite. Take care, all.